welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm doing a 3-in-1 get ready with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off doing my makeup. So now I'm just brushing out my eyebrows to make sure they're even, and I'm gonna start filling them in with my Ruby Kiss eyebrow pencil in color dark brown. So tonight I'm going to one of my close friends' surprise birthday dinners, and it's at a fancy restaurant, y'all, like with a beautiful view outside. It's just everything. So I just wanted to do like a simple soft makeup look with a cute short bob to match with it, but y'all see that like once the video goes on. After I'm done filling in my eyebrows, I'm going in to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in color Toffee to clean up my brows more and shape them to my liking. Okay, so once all of that is done, I'm gonna go in with this brush. And y'all, I don't really know the name of brushes. It's like a flat surface brush. I don't know, but this is what I use to basically like fill in the concealer, like make it blend better, get away them harsh lining you guys can see, of course, but I'm gonna just even it out better and make it blend some into my skin so they look all crisp and nice looking. Okay, also this brush basically does the same thing. I feel like this helps it even it out better into my skin. I feel like it smooths out the harshness of the concealer around my brows. So I'm just going in with this little tiny brush, and I got this brush from Walmart, y'all. Like I had this brush for like years. So okay, so after filling in my eyebrows, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my wig. And I did it in this order because I knew I was going to be using Got To Be glue spray, and sometimes the Got To Be glue spray be sliding on across my face and it'll get into my makeup. So I just wanted to go ahead and apply the wig on first before finishing my whole entire face. So as y'all saw, I used Got To Be glue spray, and I sprayed it around my rim like 3-4 times. It was really long, y'all. I had to cut the video down. But now I'm just applying it to my head, making sure it's even on both sides, and I give it that natural look. So after applying it properly and evenly on my head, I go in with my comb to basically press it down better. It helps like smooth it out to me with the comb. So that's what I'm doing on the edges and making sure everything's tight. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in and grab a scarf to basically wrap it down. I'm gonna have this on the whole entire time as I finish my makeup. So once I'm done with my makeup, I can just go ahead, take this off, and finish the laying process. So after laying that down, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty priming lotion. And y'all, like, I'm so happy I invest in this because it's so smooth. I love the smell of it. And once I'm done like spreading it around my face, like my face just feels like a baby's bottom. I love it, y'all. So this primer is really awesome and I love it. So once I'm done putting that on, I'm gonna go in with my MAC foundation. I can't remember the number that I have, but I've been using this foundation for a minute, like years on years. So I will spray a little bit of the e.l.f. spray on it, and then I'm gonna just go in and start spreading that foundation around my face. And yeah. Once I finish applying my foundation, I'm going back in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in color Toffee to go ahead and start what's it called? Contouring my face and putting it all around. And y'all, sometimes I don't usually contour my forehead. I don't know why, I just don't, but I just did it in the center of my nose, under my eyes, and my chin. And then I'm gonna go in with this other contour stick. And y'all, I got this contour stick from Dollar Tree. Like, you can kind of see it but can't see it on my skin tone, but I kind of like it. It's pretty smooth. I just use that for convenience. So it does the job I feel like that I need it to does. It do. Oh, that was not English. I need it to do. So once I put all that on, I'm gonna go ahead and start blending everything together and have this be face for the guys, for y'all. Now I'm going back in with my contour stick that I bought at Dollar Tree and put those on the sides of my cheeks, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and this basically helps crease my contour better and brighten up my face, like give it that pop it needs for that final makeup look. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let it sit for like a little minute, and yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is the makeup look for now. I'm gonna come back in and finish it later, but I want to go ahead and start working on my hair now. So I'm just untying the scarf from around my edges, and then I'm gonna start working on my baby hair. But before I start working on my baby hair, I'm combing the hair out. Y'all see it's a little glue. And also, y'all, like with this hairstyle that I'm doing, since I'm doing like a side part, I wasn't really focusing on gluing the other side down. You guys can see like it lifting a little bit. I knew that the style that I was going for was going to cover all of that, so I wasn't really concerned. Like, I ended up cleaning it up some off camera, the glue that was like showing some. So yeah, now I'm going in with my foundation, and I'm just putting that around the edges so it could blend better with my skin. And then I'm gonna start working on my baby hairs. And y'all, like, me doing my baby hairs for this style, I don't know what the struggle was, but I was literally struggling to do this baby look, these baby hairs. The baby hairs eventually came out the way I wanted to. It just took a really long time. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was me, but it came out perfect, and I'm glad it did, because this was literally a struggle. Also, you guys, in the middle of me doing my baby hairs, I had to stop to go ahead and put my lashes on. I went ahead and put glue on my lashes before I started working on my baby hairs, because I feel like that process is quicker for me. I could glue that down, and as I wait for that to dry, I could start working on something else. So that's what I did. I just stopped doing my baby hairs for a second to put my lashes on. And I got these lashes from Beauty Master. These are, I don't even know what these are called. But they dramatic, they ghetto, and I love it. So these are my favorites. So now I'm working back on the struggle of baby hairs. I'm trying to conquer and make out perfect, but bear with me, you guys. You're gonna see the whole struggling process of me trying to achieve my baby hairs. Okay, so once I feel comfortable with how my baby hairs look, I'm going in to start trying to create the swoop for my bang. But before I do that, I want to flat iron it, make sure it's as straight as possible. And then I'm going to go in with my comb and start creating the swoop look. But the only thing I wish I would have used for this was probably like a, what are those sticks called? One of them gel sticks, or even some sprigs. I just feel like I should have used something to keep it together better, because later on that night the hair started to like separate slowly. I don't know, it just wasn't looking as crisp as it was in the beginning. But those are the only things I wish I would have used to make my swoop look better and more presentable. But that's all I'm doing right now, making sure I just have that right swoop look for my hair look I'm going for. Okay, so once I push the hair in the back of my ear, I'm going in with 2 bobby pins to secure it better and just give it that nice swoop, bougie, classy look that I'm going for. So yeah, y'all, I feel like I killed this style. This is my first time ever trying this style, and I look good, y'all. Okay, so once I'm done with my hair, I'm going to finish off with my 2 final looks that I need to have my makeup popping, which is my highlight that I got from Anastasia. This is the Glow Kit, and then I'm gonna just put that on my brows, my cheekbones, my nose, and then once I'm done with that, I go in with a liquid eyeliner to enhance my moles that I have on my face, because I just feel like my moles on my face are cute and people need to see it. So that's what I'm using. And once I'm done with that, this is really practically the look that I have. I'm not really a big fan on like lipstick. I will put on some chapstick to make my lips glossy, but I don't really do that on camera. But this is how my makeup and hair look for the event, and I didn't really take any pictures for the event, so I have a lot of boomerangs that I use from Instagram. So this is the final look of everything, and this is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out.